basketball no matter who you cheer for.
What a jump!
Showing his talents.
We are seeing a superstar in the making.
That is honky.
This is getting fun.
The 63rd NBA All-Star Game begins on TNT.
Bringing the mellow jazz of Gotham to the Crescent City, Carmelo Anthony.
A seven-time All-Star making his third start for the East from the New York Knicks, Carmelo Anthony.
No way he was going to be sidelined tonight. He missed the game last season because of a hand injury. Anthony for three. Wade kept it alive. Anthony met by Durant. We're just underway here in New Orleans as Carmelo Anthony puts it down. So Anthony faked that he was going to slam, but then missed on the layup. Back comes James. Back. Here's to James from Anthony.
Who's the MVP? And most of the people around the league are saying Durant has overtaken LeBron.
It's 8 points.
I love my job. This is the best seats in the house. Are you kidding me? I've seen you do that plenty of times, little Stevie, on the mean streets of Palisades.
Right.
All the time.
Carmelo Anthony on fire. That's his third from downtown.
He's always been a terrific rebounder and tough defender, but adding that three-point shot has really rounded out his game.
He's helped mentor him a lot with things that have gone on the last couple of years, some of the frustrations that Kevin's had to deal with, and now that he is himself.
Rivers told him he needed to work on during the summer.
Carmelo Anthony with his fifth three-pointer. Anthony, give that look as if to say, you got to be kidding me. No one in sight. Kept alive. Here's Anthony for three. And that is an NBA All-Star record. 7 three-pointers for Carmelo Anthony of the New York Knicks. Anthony for three. Yes! His 8th three-pointer of the night. 8 of 12 from downtown for Carmelo Anthony. The East up by 4 with 1:01 remaining in the fourth.
Well, I believe the New York media is probably voting if the East does end up winning this game